Chapter 2. Do you wish to have complete financial independence? Caught up in a rat race of working tirelessly to make our ends meet, we often wonder whether we can ever have it all without being trapped in such means. Or, say, do you often dream of becoming financially independent by the time you turn 40? Or do you wish to own riches big enough that you don't have to control your expenses anymore? Or do you wish to take off some moments enjoying life while your bank balance is still rising? If yes, then this chapter will excite you. Let us dig a little deeper into seeing how well you understand your financial needs. Here is a worksheet that you need to answer quickly. Given below are some questions. Each question have 4 options to choose from, with marks allotted. I request you to take a pencil and quickly mark down the answers. Question number 1. What is your aim behind investing money? Option A. You want to accumulate wealth. Points 4. Option B. You want to buy a house. Point 3. Option C. You want to do your retirement planning. Points 2. Option D. For child education and marriage. Points 1. Question number 2. When you would withdraw the invested money in future? Option A. After 10 years. Point score 4. Option B. In 5 to 10 years. Point score 3. Option C. In 2 to 5 years. Point score 2. And option D. Within 2 years. Point score 1. Question number 3. Are you the only bread earner of the family? Option A. No. Points 4. Option B. Yes, with one dependent. Points 3. Option C. I have 2 to 4 dependents. Points 2. Option D. I have more than 4 dependents. Points 1. Question number 4. Do you have any financial obligations like loan repayment? Option A. No. Point score 4. Option B. Yes. Less than 10% of my earnings are utilized in EMIs. Point score 3. Option C. Yes. 10 to 20% of my earnings are utilized in EMIs. Point score 2. Option D. Yes, more than 20% of my earnings are utilized in EMIs. Point score 1. Question number 5. Which of the following investment returns are you looking at? Option A. 12% average return. Point score 4. Option B. 10% average return. Point score 3. Option C. 9% average return. Point score 2. And option D. 7% average return. Points 1. Question number 6. If you are offered a promising job, what compensation structure would you choose? Options are A. Employee stock option with a current value of Rs 1 lakh and prospects for further appreciation. Point score 4. Option B. An upfront bonus of Rs 1 lakh. Point score 3. Option C. A 10% pay increase in your salary of Rs 4 lakh. Point score 2. Option D. A 3-year job guarantee. Point score 1. Now, calculate the total marks based on the above options chosen by you. First, total marks between 23 to 28 belongs to the category of aggressive. Total marks between 17 to 22 belongs to moderately aggressive. Total marks between 11 to 16 belongs to moderate category and total marks between 0 to 10 belongs to the conservative category. So now you know what kind of risk and return you are ready to take as an investor. You are also aware of how much money you will make in the near future with your current choice of financial investment. The exercise we did also revealed the potential you have to earn if you invest in the stock market. This awareness is the first step in creating riches bigger than you ever dreamed of. Well done. You have analyzed and understood what 70% of the people fail to understand about their own finances. And let me tell you that a good beginning is half done.